How to make DoorDash account in Canada. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can make DoorDash account in Canada. For this, you want to launch open any web browser and search Become Dasher Canada. Then you have this option that says Canada Dasher sign up. Go ahead and tap on that. Now, you want to check out all the eligibility criteria of becoming a Dasher in Canada. If you think you are eligible and you have all the required details, then you want to tap on the Become a Dasher option over here or directly head over to dasher.doordash.com. Then tap on the Sign Up option at the top right corner. Now you want to enter your postal code. Go ahead and enter your postal code of Canada. Then select your location from here. Next step is to tap on the next option. Now go ahead and enter your email address over here. Then tap on the next option. Now enter your Canadian mobile number over here. Then tap on the sign up option. Once that is done, you will have to submit your profile information. Now you will have to enter your profile information. Go ahead and enter your first, middle, and last name. Then create a password and confirm that. Once that is done, you will now have to download the Dasher app on your device. Once it has been downloaded, you want to select your vehicle type over there. Then you want to complete an identity verification process. After this, upload a valid government ID, take a selfie to match the picture on the ID. Now you will have to submit a background check. In the background check, you will have to submit the motor vehicle report and criminal history report. Now you want to choose your preferred payout method to receive your earnings by selecting either the instantly or weekly option. Add a bank account information in your account to easily receive your earnings. Then tap on the Start Dashing option to start earning. And in this way, you can make a DoorDash Dasher account in Canada. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.